Hi, hello. Greetings to everyone. I hope you are doing well. Before I begin today's topic, I have small request. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, our channel. Your support motivates me to create more videos that can help students and parents. Okay, now let's get into today's topic. I want to ask I want to ask you simple questions. How many school students really know what is IIT? Especially how many students studying in villages know about IIT and its opportunities and offers? If you answer honestly, the number is very small. The reason is not that village students are less talented. The real reason is that many of them have never been guided about IIT or inspired dream about it from young age. From young age, we often ask children like questions like who is Google CEO, who is Raghuram Rajan, who is Narayana Murthy. These are the questions we used to ask. These are successful people whom we admire, but we never asked our children another important question. We never asked other important questions. Where did they study? Where did they study? Many of them graduated from Indian Institute of Technology, popularly known as IIT. If, if a child, if a child dreams becoming successful like them, they first know where these leaders studied, how they reached that position. They first know where these leaders studied, how they reached that position. Every great achievement begins with a dream. As like one of the great President Abdul Kalam told, every great achievements begin with a dream. If a child, if a child develops the right dream at the right age, if a child develops right dream at right age and works consistently toward it, they can achieve amazing things. Okay, so what exactly is IIT? As I told, IIT is Indian Institute of Technology. It is one of the most prestigious engineering institution and is run by our central government. Do you know? Every year, lakhs of students dreams of studying in IIT. Every year, lakhs of students dreams of studying in the IIT. To get admission, students must clear JEE examination. JEE examination, one of the most competitive entrance examination in India. Let me ask another questions with you. Your son or daughter or nephew or any child you know, maybe studying in the 5th class, 6th class, or even lower classes. Why not plant the dream of IIT in their minds from today? Why not plant the dream of IIT in their minds from today? Tell them, you are capable. You are capable. You can achieve great thing. You can achieve great thing. I believe in you. Tell them like you are capable. You can achieve great things. I believe in you. You can do anything, whatever you wish. Tell like them. Tell like that. Never allow them to think they are less capable than others. Never allow them to think never allow them to think they are less capable than others. Remind them every day they have ability to learn, solve problem and succeed. Remind them every day they have ability to learn and solve problems and succeed. Positive words have incredible power. Positive words have incredible power. The words children hear every day slowly become their beliefs. The words children hear every day slowly become their beliefs, and their beliefs eventually become their future. And their beliefs eventually become their future. As parents and teachers, we are the engineer and programmers of child futures. As parents and teachers, we are the engineers and programmers of child futures. Another important habit is encouraging to ask questions. We need to encourage to ask questions. Tell them never to feel shy about clearing their doubts in the classroom. Tell them never to feel shy about clearing about their doubts in the classroom. Tell them never to feel shy about their clearing doubts in the classroom. Learning is not about memorizing every answer. Real learning comes from understanding concepts. The more they understand, the stronger their foundation becomes. The more they understand, the stronger their foundation becomes. If a child dreams of IIT, they should give special attention to mathematics and science because of these subjects play a major role in JEE examination. Guide them patiently, motivate them consistently. Help them believe in in themselves. Will help them believe in themselves. Whether a child comes from village or city does not decide their future. Whether a child comes from village or city does not decide their future. Their dedication, hard work, and the encouragement they receive make the real difference. Their dedication, hard work, and encouragement they receive make the real difference. So remember this one powerful message. Remember this. Remember this one powerful message I am saying. Your words shape your child's futures. Your words only shapes your child's futures. Speak words that build confidence. Speak words that build confidence. Speak words that inspire dreams. Speak words that inspire their dreams. Speak words that create success. Words have power. Do not forget, words have power. Always keep in your mind, words have power. Okay, thank you for watching till the end of this video.